Hello, Longboarding Mom. I got a box in the mail. It's Thrive. I want to try them. I got some chicken. I got some other stuff. But I found some meals. So, open this up. Show you what I got. I'm going to try them because I might become a consultant if I like it. I got snackies. Freeze-dried pineapple. I got 2 bags. I heard they're really good. And every time I try to order them, they've been out. So that's why I ordered 2. And then I also got to go chicken salad, a sausage crumble, and an island-style pork. This mayonnaise packets came with my chicken salad. So I've been wanting to try these, and they had simple meals. I don't think they have those anymore because that's what I was going to order. These you can microwave, remove oxygen absorber, lid and foil, leave no foil, add water to fill line and stir well. Microwave for 45 seconds and stir again. Let sit with lid on for 3 minutes, stir and eat. Now, if you're on the go, you remove the oxygen absorber, add hot water to fill line, stir well, let sit with lid on for 10 to 15 minutes, tumbling occasionally. So I'm going to try, because I don't like the microwave, I am going to try my little stoves that I got. I've got 3 of them. And since I have 3 different meals, we'll try the 3 different to-go stoves. And I'll show you what those are in just a second. So I found these emergency stoves at Fred Meyer's. This one was the most expensive one. It's an ultra camp stove. It says ideal for backpackers, hikers, campers on the go, and features up to 4.5 hours of fuel, lightweight, 9 ounces, clean burning, includes 16-ounce pot and a lid. So it comes with the pot and the lid. I bought some extra fuel to go with it. So it was like $24, $20 or something, and the fuel was $3 or $4. And then they had this one. It's an emergency stove. It says light, strong, compact, no liquid, no priming, no wicks, no pressure. Looks like you can put candles underneath it. I'm thinking you can start a little fire underneath it, or you can probably use one of these if you need to. And I also found, and I think that was like $6. This one, Sterno folding stove. Ideal for camping, picnics, tailgates, and emergencies. Easy to assemble, durable, windshield heat panels. Use Sterno green canned heat for best results. So it says to use one of these, but you could probably start a little fire inside of it. It's a little firebox, you know, wind protected and stuff like that. So I will show you guys how each one of these works, and I'll cook one of these meals up each. I had just gotten off work, so I had to take a shower and change and stuff, and I really wasn't hungry yesterday. So I didn't start that opening of these and making those meals. I'm going to do that today. I'm going to probably just make one because I'm not that hungry. I'm not going to eat 3 meals in one. I just opened that Sterno one. It looks like it says 3 easy steps. Lay it flat with the tabs open, fold it up, and then up, and it's not that easy. Fold side panels up, lift center wire base towards you, and lock base into tabs. So I'm thinking Oh. Okay, not that bad. So it looks like this, when you're done, it's not as hard as I thought it was, because I had to get the wire into these little tabs right here, and I just didn't understand that. So that's actually not that hard to put together. So that's stove number 1. Stove number 2 is a Colligan's, which looks like a cheapy Coleman or something. And it came with, it's like the other one that I showed you before. So it just pops open like this, and it came with all of these. It says light, strong, compact, no liquid, no priming, no wicks, no pressure. So 24, they're called fuel tablets. And basically it's set up like this. You can also set it kind of like that, depending on what size pot you have. So like this for a flatter pot. And you stick the little fuel things in here and light them. It says for use in solid fuel stoves and as fire and barbecue starters. These tablets are made of hexamine, a fuel which is easy to ignite and smokeless. One tablet will burn 9 minutes. Burning multiple tablets will increase the heat and decrease cooking time and or counter the effects of the wind. So that's that one. We're going to try these little tablets and see how well they work. Those ones are the cheaper versions. Like one was $5, the other one was $6 or something like that. You know, $5.99, $4.99, that type of thing. This one was a little more expensive. It has a little bit more with it. A lid. That's to snuff out the little fuel. So it looks like you stick this on the ground, you stick your little fuel thing in it, that locks on. Oh, this has a little handle. That was kind of really neat because it had the handle, and I think, yep, it just sits right on top, and then you've got your lid. So that's where all that goes. When that puts out the flame. So that's kind of neat. So I am going to take one of these outside and try the pork, pineapple, onions, and island seasoning. It is the island style pork. So I'll let you guys know how well this works. I am going to start with this one. It's really breezy out here right now. I just opened this container. I've never used this stuff before. I'm a little nervous. It's kind of goopy. And yeah, we're gonna see how this works. I've never, this one, I would say I would put it in a vehicle and have a couple of those little containers and stuff, because you really can't start a fire in them. Probably would be great with a ferro rod, but I brought my lighter out with me. Like I said, it is a little windy right now, so I don't know. Oh, I feel flame. It sounds like it's burning. I actually see some smoke off of it. I'm going to pour some water in here. Set this on here. Okay, let's open this up and see what it looks like. I have not opened it yet. It's got the little foil package. These are they only last, it says Best By 6/22 of 22. So it's not like the long-term storage, like they do have that. So you definitely want to buy these for like lunches or easy on the go type things. Because it is light, it's windy, so I'm gonna close it back up. And it says add hot water to the fill line. There's a fill line right here. So it's not a lot of water. And then wait 10 to 15 minutes. Tumbling occasionally. Tumbling, I'm sure, like gently stirring. Okay, it's already starting to boil and it hasn't been very long. Okay, it's starting to almost get that little rolling boil to it. I don't know if you can see the steam coming up. So I'm gonna put the flame out here. And pour the water in. This looked like some pretty big pieces of meat there. Fill line, where is that line at? I still have some water. I'm gonna give it a good stir around. Put a little bit more water in there because it already sucked it up. Okay. Let's hope I didn't put too much water in. I sucked it up really fast. And the pot's pretty, but the flame is out, so I'm gonna check my watch and see how much time I have, and I'll let you know what it looks like and what it tastes like when it's done. And this is what it looks like after it's burned for 10 minutes. There's plenty of fuel left in it. Still hot, so don't touch it, it says. It says 45 minutes of burn time. That's actually kind of pretty cool. I think I'm gonna leave this in my car. It's a great little stove. I've got a bug out bag already in there. It is kind of lightweight. It'll fit in the bag that I have in there. There's plenty of room. That's kind of, it's a pulled pork. That's what it looks like. It still needs a couple more minutes. We're gonna try this now. It is the freeze dried to go by Thrive Life, the island pork style. It's got pineapple, pulled pork, onions in it. I bet it would be great on a sandwich if I had some rolls. It's got good flavor. It would definitely be good on a sandwich. Pineapple's good. One person, definitely, like a sandwich, a roll, would fill you up. This is probably more like if it was my husband or my son, they would probably need to eat 2 of these to fill them up. This would be like a snack for them. I'll let you know how the other ones taste.